Patricia, how you doing? Big Pens, awesome idea. Hey, this is really super interesting stuff. I got to thinking about how far we could really take this package right here in terms of really trying to dig out the roots of sustainability. Excuse me one second. Sorry, I've been talking all night. Losing my voice a little. So, I'm thinking that we could really break this down to the packaging itself, the blister pack, whatever, however this comes, the background, that back piece of thick cardboard coated with whatever kind of nastiness it's coated with, and then the plastic that holds it, and then also the pen itself, including the cap and the shaft, as well as that little thing on the end and the inner tube that holds the ink. All that stuff could be traced for sustainability. And as you said, it's probably not very sustainable, as your evidence right here clearly indicates. Great little fact right there. I think you did what you could with the assignment, and I think that right down here is really where you start getting into the meat, the meat of the matter. And I think it was smart of you, though you couldn't find the exact materials that were used in packaging. Although you could find that stuff, I would just go straight to BIC company sustainability as a search and see what comes up. You probably already did that, but sometimes you'd be surprised how easy it is to find sustainability facts for larger corporations, partly because it's such a hot topic right now. So this is good, and I'm fine with you taking the incentive to say, okay, this is what most of these packages are made of, so I'm going to go ahead and analyze what most of these packages are made of. That's fine, I get it. This is good stuff, really good stuff right here. And really what we want to do eventually is we want to, for your project for the course, we want to really take a look at all this stuff and, mold using heat to soften the PVC to form the shape required to the blister cards. That sounds like a nasty process right there. Heating some sort of polymer, which presumably is made out of oil, petroleum anyway. So, it's not pointing to sustainability, that's for sure. So when you're looking at all these ingredients, like it's a cake, all of these materials, I think it's really smart for you to really keep in mind that you're going to be developing some graphics and some packages that need to be sustainable. So think about what not to do. All right. So what you would have to do here is really what in your project we would be after. Okay. 100% recovered paperboard, and what does that mean? What does 100% recovered paperboard mean? And then typically coated with a thin layer of kaolin clay. Is that sustainable? Where's the origin of that? And how did we get it? How did it get here? Transportation is a big infraction in sustainability. So just because and I'm just mentioning all this stuff for you to start thinking about for our final project. But something like this, kaolin clay, over the top of the ply of the white recovered fiber to improve the printing surface. So that surface, but that's great. So you're saying preparing the printing surface with which presumably is organic, it's clay, right? But we would need to know why do I keep saying ingredients? The materials, we would need to know, backed by research, the sustainability of the materials in the clay and in everything that we use in our class project. Okay. So this is good stuff here. And that's how that's what I want you to take away from this assignment, really, is thinking about your product for the course project, which presumably you've read ahead a little bit and gotten yourself familiar. But thinking about your course project and thinking about how exactly can you sustain design sustainably throughout the course of this project, through to the end. And everything you design for the project is going to ask to be sustainable. So keep that in mind and use this. Keep this handy. Use this to your benefit. Okay? Good job. Thanks so much.